The most dangerous AI bill may not arrive when you subscribe. It may arrive after you have forgotten how to work without it. Imagine opening your laptop one morning and discovering that the AI which writes your code, fixes your bugs, and understands your entire project has reached its limit. To continue working, you must purchase more credits. The price has changed, the restrictions are tighter, and walking away is no longer realistic because your projects, your team, and perhaps your entire company now depend on it. This is not proof of a secret conspiracy. It is something more believable, a business model still searching for a sustainable price while millions of people are becoming dependent on the product. Today, AI feels remarkably cheap. For one monthly subscription, a developer can generate thousands of lines of code, analyze an entire repository, create features, run tests, and solve problems that once required hours of work. But a simple question and an autonomous agent working across a large software project do not cost an AI company the same amount. OpenAI's chief executive once admitted that its $200 Pro subscription was losing money because customers were using it more heavily than expected. GitHub later moved Copilot toward usage-based billing, explaining that long-running coding agents consume far more computing power than short requests. The subscription may still open the door, but intensive use can increasingly be measured and charged. This does not necessarily mean AI itself will always become more expensive. In fact, the cost of running models with the same level of capability has fallen dramatically. But as each task becomes cheaper, we ask AI to perform more tasks. We give it larger projects, longer sessions, more decisions, and more responsibility. The cost of each action may fall while our total consumption continues to rise. And money is only one part of the risk. In a controlled study, developers who used AI assistants showed weaker understanding of the code they had worked with than developers who completed the task without it. The lesson was not that AI automatically destroys programming skills. Developers who used it to ask questions and understand concepts performed better than those who simply requested answers. The danger begins when assistance replaces understanding. A developer can now generate an application without fully understanding its architecture. A company can deploy thousands of lines of code that nobody inside the organization can confidently debug. Productivity rises, but human knowledge quietly becomes thinner. Then one day, the model changes. The service becomes unavailable. The limits tighten. Or the company raises the price. The code may still belong to you, but the ability to understand and maintain it may be trapped behind someone else's subscription.